Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda and this is my feel good journey. So a little bit about my channel. My channel is about getting physically, mentally, and spiritually healthy, and I also do reviews on stuff that I've already manifested when I had my spiritual awakening. But my goal for my channel is to help you guys in any way, shape, or form that I can, whether it's with my law of attraction videos, my fitness videos, which I'm starting on already, and also my reviews. Maybe if you guys like something that I have and you guys have, questions on stuff that I purchased, then I'll be more than happy to, answer your questions and, help you in that way. Whatever I can help you with, I'm here. So today I'm gonna do another review video. I know this is like my third review video on Uggs, and that's because I absolutely love Uggs. Like, this is my favorite season out of the year. I love cold weather because it's just such a cozy, feeling for me, and I love coziness. I love to wear them. I don't know, they're just like so cute to me. I know that, sometimes they people say they're out of style, or, I don't know, but to me they're never go out of style because, they're just like cute, cozy boots that, who doesn't love them? So anyways, so today I'm gonna do a review on these Uggs right here. They're actually not brand new. I've already worn them a couple of times, and the reason, I had bought them a while back. Actually, it wasn't even that cold yet, but I bought it because I saw them and I absolutely love the color. So I was just like, you know what, let me go ahead and get them now. And I've been wearing them ever since, it started getting a little cold, which was in October. So like I said, they're not brand new, but they're pretty new. I mean, I got them this year and they are like absolutely adorable to me. I absolutely love them. I did have the light, so these are it. I had the lighter brown ones, and those were kind of old, so I actually just gave those away, and then I purchased these and the black ones and my slippers, the ones that I showed you, did my past 2 review videos on. So I would love it if you guys were to watch those videos. But yes, so these are it right here, and they're absolutely adorable. I really like this color because you know what, it's like dark, so it goes with everything. Like it almost even goes with like black, you know what I'm saying? Like when you wear black instead of black Uggs, I wear these and I think they look cute. So because of the darkness of them, here you go. I hope they're not like dirty. Like I said, I've been wearing these a lot. So with these are pre-treated to repel water and stains, so these are waterproof, just like all the other Uggs that have been out in the past recent years. These have the fixed here you go. These have the fixed bolts around the back shaft. They're the sheepskin inside, of course. So they're the nylon binding. They're 11.5 inches in height, and they are super comfortable. So here they are. Like I said, I love this color. Like, I haven't seen this color a lot. Like, I just got these at Dillard's where I live, but I didn't even see them on the website. So I don't know if they're on the website. I do know they have them at Dillard's. Like I said, I got them right off Dillard's this past these past months. But here they are. I hope it's not blurry. But like I said, I just love Uggs. They're super cozy, super comfortable, super warm, and they match with everything. I do love that Uggs are waterproof. And you know what? These retailed at $250, which I think, that's another reason why I love Uggs, because their price is so reasonable, and they are really good boots. They're like really good quality boots. So that's another reason that I'm like obsessed with. I'm Uggsessed. Just kidding. I'm obsessed with Uggs. And yeah, so here you go. Like I said, I would absolutely love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel. Well, I don't know if I said that or not, but I'm saying it now. I would absolutely love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and I do get back to you as soon as possible. And just know that I'm really enjoying this, and I will try to do, I know I'm posting Mondays and Fridays, and I haven't this past 2 weeks or so, because you know I've been super busy with like the holidays and stuff like that, but I'm really enjoying this. So again, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to please feel free to ask me and I'll answer you. And one more thing, I am gonna start my fitness videos like next week. I try to do it, but it is a little hard because of the camera. Like I needed somebody to hold it, so my husband's gonna come and help me, and he's actually gonna guide me through my exercises. I don't go to the gym because I have 4 kids and it's a little bit harder for me to actually just go to the gym, you know, every single day. So I'm just not gonna give myself any excuses, and I'm gonna work out here at home. So I would love it if you guys were to watch those videos, but for now I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.